Property Owner Files, Season 1, Episode 8, The Smell Gave It Away. Is being a landlord really worth it? Some problems you can see. Others, you smell before you ever open the door. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. Today's file starts before the lock was even turned. The smell gave it away. The landlord hadn't even reached the door yet. Halfway down the hallway, they stopped. Something was wrong. Not loud. Not obvious, but unmistakable. A smell that didn't belong in a lived-in apartment. At first, they thought it might be trash, or maybe a plumbing issue from another unit. But the closer they got, the clearer it became. This was coming from their property. Today's story is about the moment landlords dread. When your senses tell you the truth before your eyes do. Stay until the end, because the source of the smell wasn't where anyone expected it to be. When your instincts kick in, the tenant hadn't answered calls in weeks. Rent was late, but not alarmingly so. Still, something felt off. As the landlord stood outside the unit, the smell grew stronger. It wasn't overwhelming. It was persistent. The kind of smell that doesn't fade. It settles. This wasn't a sudden problem. It had been building quietly. And that's what made it unsettling. Because whatever caused it had been there for a while. Still watching? Opening the door only made things worse. First look. Worst feeling. When the door finally opened, the air felt heavy. Stale. Thick. Unmoved. The apartment looked normal at first glance. Furniture still there. Lights off. No obvious mess. But the smell filled every room. It clung to fabric, to walls, to the vents. The landlord realized something terrifying. Whatever this was, it wasn't contained. It had traveled. And that meant it wasn't just a cleaning issue. It was structural. And then they checked the vents. The source. Nobody expects. Behind vent covers, the truth started to emerge. Years of buildup. Moisture. Unreported issues. The smell wasn't coming from one place. It was circulating. That's when specialists were called. And once professionals stepped in, the tone changed immediately. This wasn't just unpleasant. It was unsafe. Air quality tests failed. Certain areas were sealed off. The tenant was ordered to vacate. The landlord didn't just lose a tenant. They lost the unit. Why smell is the last warning. Smell is never the first sign. It's the last. By the time you notice it, the problem has already spread. Walls absorb it. Floors trap it. Ventilation carries it everywhere. The cost wasn't cosmetic. It meant tearing things out. Opening walls. Replacing systems. And worst of all, future tenants would remember. Listings would suffer. Reputation would take a hit. This wasn't a renovation. It was a recovery. The lesson landlords learned too late. The landlord thought about all the missed opportunities to intervene. Unanswered texts. Delayed inspections. Assumptions that no news is good news, but silence lets problems grow. And by the time smell gets involved, it's already expensive. In the next file, we uncover something even harder to believe. A tenant lived like this for years, and no one knew. The smell wasn't the problem. It was the warning. In the next file, we open a door that stayed closed for far too long. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.